Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix Uber Eats payment error. Trying to order food on Uber Eats but running into a payment error? Let's get started. First of all, ensure your payment method is valid. Uber Eats accepts the following: credit card like Amex, Visa, Mastercard. Debit card, Visa, Mastercard must have a CVV code. PayPal, cash available in some locations. If your payment method isn't working, update it with these steps. First of all, tap account at the bottom right. Select wallet. Then click on add payment method. Choose credit or debit card or PayPal. Fill in your card or PayPal details. If your card is declined, check if you have enough balance or if your bank is blocking the transaction. Contact your bank if needed. Still not working? Try using a different card, PayPal or even cash if available in your area. If the issue persists, contact Uber Eats support through the app by going to help and selecting payment issues. And that's it. Now you are ready to enjoy your meal hassle-free. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.